So today also we are going to start a sentence improvement. The first one is, the farmer's way of life can be contrasted to that of the factory worker. Okay. Contrasted for, contrasted against, contrasted with, no improvement. Go with the elimination process. Then you can eliminate any 2 or 3. Then you'll find the answer. Okay. Contrasted means actually different from.
Against.
Yeah, different from the other. Okay. The farmer's way of life is different from to that of factory worker. Okay. It is contrasted for or contrasted against, contrasted with, no improvement. Which one you want to eliminate?
For.
Yeah.
For is eliminated.
For is eliminated. Against is also eliminated. We can't say contrasted against. It is contrasted with. It follows with only. Okay. So C is the right answer. The next one is, the winter was such severe that even water in the taps was frozen. Severe such, so severe, severe so much, no improvement. Go through elimination process, eliminate those answers.
So much is eliminated first.
So much, severe so much. Okay. Then
In first one.
yes, you are
Also
right. You are
eliminated.
right. You are exactly. Actually, your answer is right. Actually, it's given search, isn't it?
No.
So that. So that, isn't it? The winter was
Yes.
so severe that even water in the taps was frozen. So that it was so severe. Okay, we have to use so only, not severe, not such. Clear? So severe is the right answer. No. Okay, this is the answer. Next one. I, your brother, and you will be partners in the business. I, you, and your brother. You, your brother, and I. You, I, and your brother. No improvement.
See, third one. You, I, and your brother.
Actually, this is partners in the business, isn't it? This is for
Yes.
already we have
Good
gone.
reason.
Yeah, good, good
2,
sense.
3, 1. Sorry. B1. 2, 3, 1. Actually.
Two,
Second
three,
one.
Yeah, good sense, no? 2, 3,
2, 3, 1.
Bad sense?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, this you have to remember always. 1, 2, 3. Clear? 2 means here second person, isn't it?
Second
Where
person.
you find second person, here also you find second person, here also you find second person. Then after that, third person. Your
मैंने
brother
you
is
देख के
third
बोल दिया
person, but here I is given. So this is wrong.
हाँ yes मैंने
Right one.
पहले you देख के बोल दिया था
Yeah. First you can see first you, then next you have to see third person. You have to see whether third person is there or not. Third person is here, but here third person is not there, isn't
first
it?
person.
So
Yes.
like that you have to see the answers. This is wrong. No improvement. Okay. Second one is the right answer. Good sense. In the business, no, they are partners in the business. So it is in the good sense. So 2, 3, 1 is a pattern. Next one. He was urgently in need to get his eye operation. Of an eye operation, for operation eye on eye, for eye to be operated, no improvement. Again, eliminate the answers.
B1 is eliminated.
Which one?
B.
B.
Second.
Okay.
Yes.
You're right. You can't say need for operation on eye. we cannot, actually, it is wrong.
For I to be operated.
You think it over. Guessing,
Hmm.
actually, it's
This
very,
is wrong.
which one is wrong?
Third one is wrong.
Third one, A, B, C. Okay. For I to be operated. We can't say was urgently in need for I to be operated. We can't say, but this is the right one. Okay. Need of. We use need of. When we require something, okay, then we use need of. Need of an I operation. Not need to get. Okay. Next one. Having finished the book, it was put away by him. He put it away. It was being put away by him. It was putting away by him. No improvement. Again, go through elimination process. You identify what type of sentence it is.
This is passive sentence.
Passive. Okay. It was put by away by him. Okay, it is passive. But this part, having finished the book, is it active voice or passive
No,
voice?
no.
It is active voice. No, it cannot be passive voice. Here in this
Yes.
sentence, one first part is in active voice. The second part is in passive voice. So it should not be like that. Construction is wrong. So how will you correct it? You have to put this part or this part or that part. Having finished the book.
A, I think A.
Yes, A is
Put
right.
it away.
It was being put, again passive voice, isn't it? It was putting away. We don't use putting away here. Wrong. So having finished the book, actually this part is active voice, but this part is in passive voice, but actually it is wrong. If this is in active voice, this
Should be.
should be in active voice. He put it away is the right answer. Clear?
Huh.
Okay, next one. Sixth one. We should take up the first item. Let us begin this song. This song begin us begin with this song, us beginning this song. Again, we go through elimination process.
First one is wrong.
First one, yeah, we can't say let this
Begin
song
us.
begin us. Wrong. It no
Hmm.
meaning. Actually, it is
Meaning.
meaningless. Then which part should
B
be?
is correct.
B is right, and this part is eliminated. Okay, actually, begin means we start.
ING form नहीं होगा.
Yeah, we start. Yes, actually we can't start. Actually, when we start anything, we start something. We use begin with. Okay, let us begin with. Always begin with. Okay, when we start something, let us begin with this song. So this is the answer. Next one. All but her had made an attempt. All but she, all but herself, all but she herself. No improvement. Again, eliminate.
All but C.
This is right answer. Okay, all but herself, we cannot say. Reflexive pronoun.
Also be last one.
Pronoun, okay. Here also pronoun is there. Again, reflexive pronoun is there. So this one is also wrong. All but her is possessive pronoun. Okay, all but her. We should not say all but she only is right. Pronoun, but she. It should be in subjective mode.
Subject.
Yeah, subject. Here subject is there. This also should be in subject. Okay, this is the right answer.
Then in verb is following which subject here?
Here all is indefinite pronoun. Okay,
Huh.
here also, this also is, it is in subjective mode. This also should be in subjective mode, not her. Okay, it is object, no? Her, him,
Yes.
object. So we should not use that. If this is subject, this also should be subject. Okay,
Yes. No, I mean verb is following to all or C.
all, what you're saying? What you're talking?
जो had जो verb है वो किसको follow करे? All को या फिर C को? All को.
I couldn't get you. All, but she, you understood, no? All is subject,
Yes,
okay?
ma'am.
This also. What's your doubt?
मैम जो verb के बारे में भी पूछ रहे हैं. Verb should follow all or C in this sentence.
All should follow.
मैम verb जो had है ना verb वो
Had
किसको
कहाँ
follow
है?
करेगा?
Had नहीं है ना यहाँ? Oh,
नहीं,
had
verb
made.
में
Okay,
जो
okay, okay. Understood,
yes, yes.
understood. Yes. All. Okay, all. Okay, indefinite pronoun. But
Yes.
she. All. But she had made an attempt. Made a trial. Okay. All. But she had made an attempt. Made a trial. All. But she also. She made an attempt. Okay. That's the meaning. Clear? Made an attempt.
Yes.
Okay. Next one. Our team is likely to lose unless all members learn to cooperate with one other. With one and all, with one another, with no improvement.
B1 with one another.
Yes, always one follows with another, one another, okay? One another, not with other. One doesn't follow with wrong, okay? So one another only, right one. One and all also is wrong. This is also wrong. Next one. Mr. Hyun and the other dissident leaders have taken shelter at the church last month after the authorities ordered their arrest. Descendant means criticize. No. Actually, criticize publicly. Criticize publicly. They criticize the government, okay? Mr. Hyun and the other descendant leaders, the leaders, they criticize government publicly. So that is the meaning of dissident. Leaders have taken shelter at the church last month after the authorities ordered their arrest. Which one? Had taken shelter, took shelter, are taking shelter? Go through elimination process.
First one is no. C is eliminated.
C is eliminated.
C
Yes, you are
is
right.
present form में है.
Yes, are taking. Present continuous cannot be. Is it had taken shelter? Past perfect?
No.
Is it right? Is it
Took
right? Is it right? See, once again, see the sentence. Mr. Hyon and the other dissident leaders have taken shelter at the church last month. Last month.
Last month दिया हुआ है तो B2
Past
होना
tense,
चाहिए.
no? Past tense. Last
हाँ.
month, last week, last Sunday. This refers to past tense.
Oh.
This sentence is
Yes,
in
V2
past
only.
tense. So which one? This sentence is
V2 took shelter.
yes, took V2, not past perfect. Okay, B is the
Yes.
right one. Clear? Next one. If I had played well, I would have won the match. I played well, I play well, I am playing well. No improvement. This is if clause.
Yes.
If clause.
If and condition.
Yeah, if clause. Third conditional.
Third conditional.
Yes, we have actually if clause, we have first conditional, second conditional, third conditional.
Hmm.
Actually, if plus subject plus had plus V3, okay, subject plus would have plus V3 form. This is a structure. This is a structure actually. Okay. This one is a structure. If clause third condition. If plus subject plus had V3. Okay. Comma again subject plus would have plus V3 form. See here. If after if subject clear. Then had plus V3. Had played V3. Then again subject, then would have one, okay, would have plus V3 form, the remaining part of the sentence. So this is right,
No improvement.
no improvement. Okay, this is a structure. If plus of this third conditional, if plus subject plus had plus V3 form, then subject plus would have plus V3 form, that is third conditional.
First and second क्या है?
I will come across. Will come across
Okay,
a
ma'am.
sentence. Okay. What do
Yes.
you for go to school? This is interrogative sentence. Okay. Interrogative sentence. For what do you go to school? What do you go for to school? What do you go to school for? Which one? Which one you feel it is suitable? For interrogative sentence, can we start with the for?
No. First one is wrong.
Wrong. What do you go for to school? Or what do you go to school for?
C1.
Yes,
C.
C is the right one. No, we don't use for to school. What do you go to school? For should be at the end of the sentence. So this is wrong. Next one. I prefer black coffee over. So this part you need to improve. Over tea rather than to, instead of, no improvement.
2T.
2T because prefer is there. Okay.
हाँ,
Prefer
मैं
to,
पहले इसका
always prefer.
prefer to.
Okay. Prefer is followed by to. Next one. Unless he does not leave this house, I will not say anything. Has left, leaves, no improvement. First, you need to know what is the meaning of unless. Okay. Unless. Unless means if not. Okay. If not. Unless means if not. Unless is negative.
हाँ,
Unless he does not. Already unless is negative.
So not is not
Again, we
required.
are using not. Unless he does not leave this house, I will not say anything. So which option is the right one? Which option is the right one? Has left, leaves. Here does simple present. So
Hmm.
according to this, we have to change.
Leaves होना चाहिए.
Leaves,
Leaves.
yeah. Simple present, no leaves. Unless he leaves this house, I will not say anything. Okay. Unless means if not. So again, we are using not here. We can't say he does live. Unless he lives, I will not say anything. Next one. I am looking forward to see you soon. Means hoping to see. Actually, this phrase, hoping to see you soon. In the letters, actually, we'll be writing. Okay. Hoping to see you soon. So we are using, instead of that, we are using looking forward. Okay, this phrase we are using. I am looking forward to see you soon. Looking forward towards seeing, looking forward for seeing, looking forward to seeing. Which one?
Seeing नहीं होगा.
Mhm.
Looking already है ना, to see.
Actually, looking forward to see means hoping to see you again, but we are using looking forward, forward to. So in this phrase, we have to use looking forward to seeing only. Looking forward to seeing is the right one. Forward towards is wrong. Okay. Looking forward for seeing is wrong. Looking forward to seeing, we have to use gerund. Looking forward to. Okay, V1 plus in form. Gerund we have to use. Means what is the meaning? Actually, this phrase is used for writing letters. At the end of the letter, we write what is the meaning of this? Hoping to see you again. Hoping to see you soon. Okay, that's the answer. The boat was drowned. Sank, no improvement. Was sunk, was drowned.
Sank only.
What is the meaning of drown?
Was sunk.
What is the meaning of drown? What is the meaning of sank?
Sink.
Sink, sank, drown, drowned. Sank means
Sink. वो जो
the ship
sea-
sank. We say no, the ship was sunk. Okay, or sank means the ship went down gradually. Something going down in the water gradually. Okay, it's submerged. We say it is submerged. But what is the meaning of drown? Actually, it is for persons.
A person.
Persons.
person.
Okay, if a person actually when he is submerged in the water, he is suffocate. Actually, he cannot breathe. He cannot breathe because actually this water goes into his nose. He cannot breathe and he dies. Okay, when he dies, that is what we say drown. That is the meaning. But here was drowned is there. So which one is the answer?
Was sunk.
Was sunk is the right answer. Not was drowned. Was no with reform. So wrong. Okay, next one. Next one is very easy.
मैम वो sentence ऐसे में है क्या?
Which one? Yes, passive voice.
Yes.
Passive voice only.